winners of A Song of Praise or ASAP Music Festival Year 4 plan to invest their cash prizes on small businesses. Each of them also expressed their gratitude to the ASAP organizers. Precious Ong will tell us why.
The Song of the Year. Ang taas, 97.83. Wow! Kung Pag-ibig mo'y ulan.
More than ₱1 million in cash prize was given to composers and interpreters who joined the recently concluded A Song of Praise Music Festival Year 4. Hailed Song of the Year was the song Kung Pag-ibig mo'y ulan by Christian Malinas, who bagged ₱500,000. Third runner-up was the song Pahintulutan Mo, composed by Leonardo de Jesus III, who received ₱100,000 cash. Second runner-up was the song Jesus, I Love You, composed by Timothy Joseph Cardona, who bagged ₱150,000 cash.
Jesus, I love you. La, 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 la.
While ₱250,000 cash was given to Dennis Avenido for the song Pagkamamahalin Din Kita, being the first runner-up. All participants each received ₱20,000 cash as consolation prize. Grand winner Christian Malinas plans to share his prize to all who helped him compose his winning piece.
First things first, yung mga naging part ng song, yung mga nagsuggest, lahat ng mga naging bahagi ng song, magbibigay ako sa kanila. Then magbibigay ako sa church, tapos yung natira, ipon. Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailangan eh.
Second placer Timothy Joseph Cardona plans to establish his own studio and compose more songs.
Matagal ko nang gusto magkaroon ng studio, home studio lang po. Tapos para makagawa pa ako ng mas maraming kanta. Magkaroon ng taxi, panghanap buhay. Para sa papa ko kasi taxi driver po siya.
First placer Dennis Avenido plans to invest his cash prize on a small business on gadgets.
Extension of my business. Kung ano pa yung pwedeng i-extend. Kasi as a teacher, hindi naman din dun kasapat pa yung kinikita. So, extend lang ang business.
Meanwhile, Leonardo de Jesus plans to start a small business as well.
Siguro yung napanalunan ko, i-business ko siya para lumago siya. Sabi nga ni Kuya, di ba? So, para magamit ko pa siya sa ibang bagay.
Though not all went home winners, Brother Eli and Kuya Daniel left them all with inspiring messages. Maestro Ryan Cayabyab also encourages all composers to urge others in creating songs of praises to God.
Huwag kayong titigil sa paglikha. Huwag na huwag. Ito ay regalo sa atin at kailangan ibalik natin sa Kanya.
Ito po ay isang napakalaking blessing sa atin na tayo'y makapagpatuloy na makapaglikha ng awitin ng pagpupuri sa Diyos. And as we always say, kung nakakagawa ho tayo, sabi nga po ay pagkatapos na magawa natin kung ano yung dapat nating gawin, pagkatapos na maibigay natin kung ano yung dapat nating ibigay, we will always say na wala po tayong mga kabuluhan. Maliliit na kasangkapan at mga lingkod lamang tayo para sa kanyang kabutihan. Kaya po, lagi nating isigaw yon. To God be the glory.
May nagagawa ang music pag ito'y ipinagpupuri natin sa Panginoon. Nakakapagpabalik ito ng ating pananampalataya. It can strengthen our faith. It can give hope to us and to other people as well.
Participants also expressed gratitude to organizers of ASAP, especially to Brother Eli and Kuya Daniel Razon, who conceptualized the program of the largest songwriting competition in the country.
Brother Eli at saka Kuya Daniel, thank you sa at naggumawa kayo ng ganitong programa na binibigyan yung chance yung kaming mga amateur composer, kaya magandang ipagpatuloy nila.
Brother Eli at saka Kuya Daniel, maraming salamat po sa programa nyo. Marami po kayong natutulungan mga talent. Sana po magtagal pa po yung programa nyo.
Precious Ong reporting for Y News.